Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ihsan Ansari with NPM A1B024071. I am a student of English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teaching and Training, Bengkulu University. In this video, I will present a journal article titled Duality in Hamlet's Character, Good and Evil Nature, written by MD Rekib Hossain in 2023. So this journal basically discuss how Shakespeare creates a character who is both a hero and villain at the same time. And next, the abstract summary. This study focuses on Hamlet's dual personality. In the play, Hamlet sometimes shows courage, loyalty, and morality, but in the same story, he also becomes cruel, selfish, and destructive. The author argues that Hamlet's contradictory nature is what makes him a unique and complex character in literature. Next is the introduction part. In the beginning of the story, the ghost of Hamlet's father appears and demands revenge for his murder. Hamlet now has a difficult mission. He must kill his uncle Claudius, who became a king by killing Hamlet's father and marrying his mother. As Hamlet struggles to follow this command, his actions reveal both good intention and immoral behavior. This article analyzes how these opposing qualities influence his character development and audience reaction. Next is the analysis, dual characteristic of Hamlet. Hamlet's heroic qualities. One part of Hamlet's character shows real heroism. He bravely follows the ghost even though it might be dangerous. He also cleverly confirms the truth about Claudius by arranging a play that imitates the king's crime. Finally, he kills Claudius to bring justice to his father and Denmark. These actions reflect bravery, intelligence, and sense of justice. Next is a moral and thoughtful revenge. Hamlet doesn't want to kill just to kill. He actually thinks deeply about morality. When he sees Claudius praying, he decides not to kill him because he believes Claudius' soul will go to heaven. He wants Claudius to be punished not only physically but also spiritually. This shows that Hamlet cares about what is right. And next is about Hamlet's evil qualities. Though he has heroic personality, Hamlet also has a darker side. He kills Polonius without hesitation. He also arranged the deaths of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, even though they were once his close friends. His action eventually led to Ophelia's madness and death. These behaviors make him appear cruel and morally corrupted. And next about the cruel action toward innocent people. Hamlet began to harm people who are not responsible for his father's death. For example, he kills Polonius suddenly without checking who he is. He then hides the body, even jokes about it, showing a loss of empathy. The article points out that Hamlet actually causes more deaths than Claudius. This shows his behavior becomes dangerous and his moral value continue to decline. And next is the relationship with Ophelia. Hamlet rejects her love and speaks harshly to her, which deeply hurts her emotionally. Combined with her father's death, this pushes Ophelia into madness and eventually to her death. The article argues that Hamlet could have treated her more kindly but chooses not to, showing that his revenge affects the innocent people around him. Next is about the final tragedy. The fencing match planned by Claudius and Laertes leads to multiple deaths. Gertrude drinks poisons. Laertes and Hamlet are wounded by a poisoned sword. Hamlet kills Claudius before he dies. In the end, Denmark becomes weak and is taken over by a foreign ruler. So, Hamlet's revenge does not solve the problem, it destroys his family, his relationship, and his kingdom. And next is about the hero versus villain comparison. This comparison shows that Hamlet is both hero and villain. He has a heroic traits like intelligence, bravery, and strong desire for justice. But at the same time, he kills innocent people and causes more unnecessary suffering. The author concludes that Hamlet's character cannot be judged as only good or only bad character. He contains the both sides of quality. And lastly, the conclusion. To conclude, this article emphasizes that Hamlet is a character full of contradiction, where good and evil constantly exist together in his actions. His bravery, intelligence, and loyalty to his father show his noble intention as a hero. However, his harassed treatment of others, the killing of innocent people, and the chaos he creates reveal the rise of a darker, villainous side. Even when he tries to ignore even when he tries to act morally, the outcomes of his decision often lead to suffering and destruction. By presenting both the positive and negative sides within Hamlet, Shakespeare shows the complexity of human nature, that people can have admirable qualities but also being capable of harmful action. This duality is what makes Hamlet a uniquely powerful and realistic character, and it is the main reason why audience and readers continue to fascinated by him for centuries. I think that's all from my explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.